Do you remember the hunt for Red October? Well, we have a real-life situation like that now, and the hunt is on. U.S. Navy P-8 Poseidon sub-hunter is flying over the coast of Florida in search of rogue Russian submarine. The Russian Navy nuclear submarine Kazan is 66 miles away from Florida coast, equipped with 4,500-kilometer range Caliber M missiles off the coast of Cuba. Or, this is a new Cuban Missile Crisis? And we can look this another way. 4 Russian warships and a submarine fled the Russian waters to the safety of Cuba on the other side of the world, out of reach of Ukrainian strikes. The 425th Assault Battalion Scala with a video from the Donetsk region. Bradley M2A2 fire support and a well-trained and equipped group of stormtroopers means that a bunch of bad Russians is turned into good Russians, 8 prisoners, and most importantly, Ukrainian territory recaptured, they add. A very impressive detonation of a Russian MLRS in the Donetsk direction. Russian media Zona media outlet and the BBC Russian service have established the real level of losses of Wagner PMC in meat assaults near Bakhmut, almost 20,000 people. Journalists have gained access to the Wagner PMC documents on payments to the families of the dead mercenaries. It follows from the list that most of the Wagnerites died exactly in the Bakhmut meat grinder. Some figures: a total of 19,500 mercenaries died. 17,000 of them were prisoners. In total, according to investigators, about 48,000 people went to the war from the colonies. Prigozhin himself estimated the recruitment at about 50,000 people. According to the lists, every third person recruited did not return from near Bakhmut. Here we fucking go! We were totally fucked up. Everything around us is fucked up. These devils are shooting. A Russian serviceman recorded a video showing the situation in the Zaporizhzhia direction. The area where they are deployed is completely demolished. The equipment is damaged and unusable. Explosions and gunfire can be heard in the background.
Полетели в рот тефтели. Вот это все, что нас, блядь, распетушили нас к хуям, короче. О, блядь, мазефака. Что-то уебало, блядь. Вот это все, что вокруг нас. Полная залупа. Все раздолбано нахер. Техника, все вот это, блядь, полная шляпа. О, пистонят дьяволы, блядь. Короче, все распиздошено, нахуй. О, блядь. Мазефака. Стюпид мазефака. Танчики, все раздолбано нахуй. О. Вот такие пирожки, я его все.
Была зеленка, стала, блядь, пененка, ебать, пеньки, ебаные.
Muramasa drone unit from the 109th Territorial Defense Brigade destroyed a 2S-19 MSDAS self-propelled howitzer. We didn't do anything bad to anyone. We didn't attack anyone. Valentina Matvienko, chairwoman of the Federation Council of the Russian Federation. Who is she even kidding?
Ну, мы никому ничего плохого не делали, мы ни на кого не нападали, в отличие от Соединенных Штатов Америки.
Officially aligned liars and propagandists met with the new Minister of Defense in Russia. Russian volunteers, working 3 shifts to support the army, were forgotten. Disappointment is palpable. Well, if the new minister has gathered such a pool for his additional audit, then I congratulate you all. The situation will remain the same as it is now, with a tendency to worsen. Every one of them has been chosen specifically. One can only give advice to the new minister when communicating with this contingent to never get up from his chair because 90% of this category of people lick his ass tightly. Well, good luck. The Taliban arrive at an education ministers' forum in Kazan, Russia. Earlier, Russian media said they would share their experience at the forum. Maybe they will give them some Russian woman to stone also. Andriy and Rem were at Azovstal together. They were taken into captivity and shared his 330 grams of food between them. Then Rem was able to return home, and Andriy spent many more months in captivity. Now Andriy is finally home, and they are together again.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.